Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have a Lenovo laptop for repair. Here is the board, we have opened it, and here is the part number. Hope you can see it. The problem is it is short. 19 volts rail is short. So first thing what we need to see here is what's happening when we connect the DC power jack to the connector. Now our DC is at 19 volts, and the moment we connect it, see what happens. See, it is continuously shorting. That means the main suspicion is the 19 volts rail. That could be here. Okay, our suspicion is this side, but before that we must remove all this RAM and other parts before we start diagnosing fully. So let's remove it and then see whether it is shorting again or not. But before that we need to check physically if there is any burn or something on the board. So let's do it quickly. So as you can see guys, we have removed all the things. It has a graphic as well. It's a i7 4th generation laptop. It's a workstation, old one. Okay, now we will check it out where we are getting beep. So first thing what we need to understand is we need to locate the coils. After removing everything, main thing what we need to find here is coils. Find out where are the coils and then keep your multimeter on buzzer mode. So here we'll keep it on a buzzer mode, that is the diode mode with buzzer. And now we'll keep our probe, black probe, on the ground. The ground is whichever this hole, whichever point which has a hole here, that is the surface of the laptop, and that is called ground. Whether this one or this one is connected here to the ground, so you can take this also as a ground. Okay, so we have placed our black probe to the ground, and then we will check it out where we are getting beep on the coils. So here these two coils must be related to this graphic chip. To recognize the graphic chip, to recognize whether it's a graphic or not, two things we need to understand, that is this RAM will be there across the chip and AMD or NVIDIA will be written on the chip. You can see it is NVIDIA. Okay, then these two coils are related to this. Here we may get beep sound, but beep along with value, that means it's working. You can see it is 0.018, that means 18 ohms resistance is there. That means it is working. It shouldn't be below 5 or below, it shouldn't be below 5 or 1 2 etc. Okay, in gaming laptops maybe you will get that much resistance, but in this one this is fine. Then here we have three coils. This is related to processor because it's nearby processor. In the older laptops this structure is like this. Coils will be near to the section or main part. Here also we have two coils. You see we are getting value. That means this part is clear, this part is clear. Okay, and here if we see closely, there is some burning, there is some burnt mark over here. So we'll come to that later. First we'll check the coils which I was telling you. Now this coil also gives you value, this coil also gives you value, this coil also gives you value. That means this section is okay. If we put the processor here, then we may get value plus beep. Then here this coil also is okay, here this coil also is okay, but you see the value is low. Okay, so here we have suspicion. This is also okay. Here also one coil. Now you have understood how to check it. Okay, so first part is So first part is coils, we need to check. Now we have understood this part is okay, this part is okay, graphic part is okay, coil part is okay. This may be the PCH one, PCH might be backside. Yes, you can see here PCH is there, controller is there, PCH is there, controller is there. Now the suspension is here because we are getting low value compared to this one. Here we are getting 500 resistance, here we are getting only 150. But one more place we have to suspect, that is here. If we see physically, there is some mark over there, burnt mark. So we will switch it to the microscope, we will check it out, and then we will inject voltage to find out where is the short. So guys, here you can see this place is related to processor. Okay, we can't even see it properly. Now let's clean it a little bit and we'll check it out. Okay, so it seems the IC itself might have damage. Now let's inject a voltage to find out where it is heating. Now the question is where we need to insert the voltage. Okay, so first we will check whether the cap which is just beside that is short or not. Yes, it is short. You can see here it's giving beep. Now let's check 19 volts section. So here is the DC jack and here is the 19 volt section. Let's put it here. Yes, coming. So here I see there is no beep, and here, yeah, here this is the section end. Here we are getting the beep, that means this side we have a short, or probably this one itself is having the short, because here we can see the burnt mark. Now we will remove this one and we will inject voltage here. Let's see what happens. So it is removed now. Now we will place it. Here we are getting value, here we are getting beep. So this side we will put the wire, inject the voltage. Now our one ground goes to, now the black wire goes to ground, and main wire we will solder it here. We will keep the DC jack, we will keep the DC power supply at 1 volt or 2 volts max. Let's do it. So we are keeping at 2 volts, 2.3 volts, and it is taking 2.52. It is showing short. As I suspected, here it is heating. Okay, in moment of seconds it is heating up here. So let's remove this cap first and see whether it heats it going, whether the short is getting cleared or not. Let's remove it. Okay, now we are getting value with beep. So that means shorting is still there. And if we check this side, now once again we need to once again we need to inject the voltage. Okay, now the ampere has gone down. Earlier it was taking a lot of amperes. Now you see it is taking 2.4 volts and 0.06 amp. We need to increase it a little bit. So we are applying 7.4 volts. Yes, it is further heating up. Now let's remove the caps. You see it's burning. Okay, it is completed now. No amp, no backside heating, no front side. Looks like it is done. Let me monitor with the help of microscope. See, it looks like completely burned. Let's clean it. So you can see the track is completely burned, and it is the small cap which is it was burning. This cap. Now let's remove this cap and check. This coming out with the track itself. Completely gone. This look like a water damage. There might have been water on this place earlier, and it is completely become like this. Anyway, the shot is clear. Let's see what happens, whether it is fixable or not. Let's clean it up. You see, it's completely burned. Now let's check whether shot is gone or not. Yeah, the shot is still there. Now let's once again inject the voltage. Okay, it's checking again 0.07. We are increasing the voltage. 7 volts. And something might be heating up. It's the cap. This is the cap which is heating up at 7.5 volts. Now let's increase a little more. Oh, let's remove this cap. So here you can see the short is gone. We are getting the value. Now let's put it back the CLR, then check once again. Okay, the CLR has been placed. We are getting the value, but the value is less. Anyway, let's check it out after injecting the voltage. We'll come to know what is the status. Okay, so let's put the voltage now. We'll keep the DC on 19 again. Now let's put it. Oh, it is burned. As you saw, it's lighten up. So guys, in this scenario we can't fix it because the track has burned below the track. Okay, and maybe the IC also would have gone in this case because it is deep down burning. So anyway guys, let's meet up on another video and try for another board. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.